Hey, it's Bob. Hey, well, there's my sign. Guess what? I just got another dirt bike. So we're going to go outside now and take a look at that. Come on this way. So we're going outside to check out this new dirt bike. Here we go. Ooh, way out in the sunlight. Oh, it's about 900 degrees out here today. Ooh. And here we are. It's a Richard 1974 Husky
400 wide ratio.
400 wide ratio. They use them in desert racing all the time. And this one actually has a California cycle shop sticker on it somewhere. And it's in, you can tell it's in, for that age, it's in really good shape. It's been in storage for like 20 years. And the other interesting thing about it is that it was owned by a woman, and she's what,
a Navy commander.
Navy commander. So she's getting ready to retire. She's selling off stuff. If you want a, what's that other thing for three-wheeler she has?
A Can-Am.
Can-Am three-wheeler. She's got one listed for nothing. I mean, it's, well, how much was it?
$6,500, and it's got 4,000 miles on it.
$6,500. They'd probably double that if you can find one. So anyway, but this one. It's in great shape. We're not going to have to do a whole lot to it. We probably won't do anything to it. We'll just put it into them in a pile in there, okay? But if we ever get ready to restore it, it's a real good project. So, all right, guys. Well, thanks for looking, and we will catch you on the flip-flop.